In this video, I'll show you how to connect Printful to Shopify. Start by signing into your Printful account. From the left menu, click Stores, then click Choose Platform or Add Store. Next, select Shopify from the list of available platforms and click Connect. After that, enter your Shopify store URL. For example, type learnmodelab.myshopify.com, then click Connect Store. Now you'll be redirected to Shopify. Sign into your Shopify admin if prompted, review the permissions requested by Printful, and click Install App to approve the connection. Next, return to Printful and confirm that your Shopify store appears in the Stores section. If you'd like to test the connection, click Add Product, choose a product such as a classic unisex t-shirt, upload a sample design called Learn Mode Lab logo, and continue through the product setup. Finally, click Submit to Store, then open your Shopify admin and go to Products to verify that the Printful product has been imported successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Printful to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.